Guys, look at this beautiful morning at the Goon who I have with me.
What's up?
You guys know Richie?
I hope we film today, bro.
Yeah, dude, let's get some.
It's nice to be on a boat for a change.
Yeah.
You guys are used to seeing me right around there.
Yeah, he's always on the shore grinding, so we're gonna try to find some shad chasers. We got lots of bait in here now, as you've seen, and I just want to get some quality. So, you know, the upper lake's been good too, boils, and not a lot of big bass though. I mean, there's been some smallmouth showing up, but we're gonna try to find some double digits. That's our goal.
I had a dream that I smacked a 12.8. So.
Let's go, dude. I want a double digit in this boat so bad. So
it's nice to be out here, man.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me. We got to hit the upper too.
Yep.
Are you worried about the upper? I'm
Yeah.
a little concerned.
I haven't personally seen any good largemouth. I was even looking over that video I posted a while back of the striper boils, and the largemouth I caught were just super skinny, like every one of them.
Tom was making me feel better about it.
Yeah.
He said the deeper water might have a good shad spawn this year and stuff, but damn, dude, you know, I saw you fishing in that cove, and the stripers were way back in the cove too.
They're like in 1 foot of water. That was the boil.
That scares
Where
me.
normally it's out in open water, which it probably will be at some point in the summer, but
We
yeah.
definitely got to get up there.
Yeah, for
Do
sure.
you realize I haven't been out there in a year and a half?
Yeah, that was Tom too when we went. He said it was a year.
Yeah.
And that was only my 3rd trip, so I've only been up there 3 or 4 times this year. But it's beautiful and it's awesome. You got big coves, so
It does look beautiful.
we're gonna get up there for sure. Try to find them. But all right, let's do some damage today, hopefully.
Yeah, let's get it.
Caught my first keeper in the tournament right on this corner. It's the BFS. You got the grass is getting longer and longer over here. 6 foot tall. I can feel it too. I keep hitting it. Watch time was only 59. Yeah, a lot. It was 65. Yep. That's a big drop. No wonder. It'll warm up throughout the day though, but these cold nights. Yeah.
I mean,
Catch a cook, yeah. Yep. Got one.
Oh, shit. You in that?
I got it.
You
Keep
sure?
fishing. Yeah. Am I recording? Yes. I got my big old man. Look at this thing, dude. This net is massive.
There you go. He looks like one of those pigskin ones.
Yeah, he's not even that big. It felt really good though. I'll sneak behind you.
Yeah, go ahead. Dude,
Underspin, still getting them.
on the board.
Right. Yeah, just a little fat guy.
Break today. Here we go, Mike.
Going. There we go.
No, crankbait.
Who's on with it?
Show you too.
Nice one, dude.
Good stuff.
Heck yeah.
Beautiful.
I see him. I see one. Swim. I'm gonna drop right in front of him. Here he is. He's on it. I'm going right by him. He turned. He's following it.
See,
He's on it.
What the hell I'm looking at.
Got him.
That's awesome, dude.
Oh, he's a little guy. No funny.
That's so cool.
But I was just working that bush, you know.
I don't remember after too hard. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, snap. Dude, I think I got a good fish. Yeah. Here. Come on up. He's turning. There you go.
Nice one. Thanks, good.
Close to 3 maybe? Nice, man. That's definitely close to 3.
Woo!
That's 3, I think. It's
Pretty close, yeah.
Very
I'd
close.
say it's really close to
I
3.
guess 2.8.
I got a scale right there if you want. 2.9.
2.9. Very
Nice
close.
one, dude.
Sweet.
And it's just like, it's not light enough to really be like super finessey.
Really? Yeah, I was gonna go with the 7.2 medium light.
Yeah.
And then use that for
Oh, that's got smashed. Little spinnerbait fish. What is my drag doing here? Just a little chunker. No, I'm good. Thanks. Sure? Yeah, thanks. I got 10 pound. The 10 pound, what do you call it? It's like a one-eyed fish. He's got a little cataract going.
Oh, wow.
The 10 pound big game mono.
I got it almost on everything right now.
Look at that little spinner. Look at that little spinner bait, dude. All right, look at that guy with the eye.
Damn, that's weird. One-eyed Willie.
One-eyed Willie. Little cataract bass.
Yeah, Willie right there.
It's a bass on a spinner bait though.
That's fun.
The little mini one.
See you, bud.
All right, so we got some moving bait fish there. Good one on the crank, and then a good one on the chatterbait around cover. I was moving with that underspin and got the one, and then on my little funky spinner bait, I got another one, just little 1.5 pounders or so. The one-eyed bass, but it's just a little colder today, and the water temp's down a little bit, so just typically a little bit slower right now. But we just got started, so plenty of time to catch some bigs. All right, see you guys in a little bit. No. On the little Slim Pro.
Drop shot?
Little drop shot. Wacky rig. Just a little ox blood.
Cool.
Little dude.
Cool.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a little dude. You couldn't even tell. It's a sushi. Is it a bass? Because I've been catching some sunfish lately. Yes, dude. Woo!
That monster.
The tail spinner.
Phase right there.
Oh, it just broke off. I set the hook too hard. I got a big old bite too.
There we go. Yeah. Yeah. You're probably flip them.
Sweet. Chatterbait.
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
That thing's been all right. Just keep going.
Thanks, dude.
Chatterbait.
Smashed it. Just sitting outside the reeds. The dead stick just bam. Yeah. He's a little dude though. Another one on the Slim Pro. Hey, take it. They're all healthy down here though. Even the little guys are fat. Love these hooks. There we go. Look at that little fat dude.
Halfway. Out there. Just let it drop halfway down. I've never caught a fish on that before. Oh, I got him. I saw him dive after it. Go on.
I don't know yet. It's heavier.
There you go. Come on now, man.
It's okay, I'll get it.
Sure?
Yeah.
Not giant, but that's 2.5. Good one.
Might be a little bit bigger than 2.5. Maybe if I get lucky, huh?
Sure you know.
You fishing? Go ahead and fish.
I got it.
I got my big old man's net.
That thing's heavy.
It's.
Oh, it's there you go. You should have let me help. I know.
The Slim Pro. Oh no, it might not be 3.
That was.
Guys, cold, dude.
That looks almost exactly like the fish I caught today.
Yep.
That's 2.9. Same fish.
Ice
83.
freaking cold, dude. He smoked that one. See how I'm like,
I want to catch more of those.
remember I'm like, I got him and I waited, and then I'm like, he ate it.
How's it going? Nice fight. Oh yeah, who's that grass?
Oh. No. 3. We got a 3-pounder. Alrighty, nice 3-pounder, 18-incher. Not too shabby. Oh, too nice this thing. Dang. Oh, I got one. Ooh, dude. That's a better one. Oh, don't jump, no. Is that better? It feels better.
It's okay. I saw it with my glasses.
That's funny. It feels heavier, but they're just strong. They're all so fat.
I know, it's so sweet.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Just that little 2-something, right? That is a healthy little sucker, isn't he?
They all are.
Look at him, dude. It's beautiful.
How deep was that?
Oh, we're only in 13 feet. Look at that little. Another fish on the Slim Shake, actually. Yeah, he's like a 2-something. Ice cold.
Oh yeah.
Another Slim Pro fish, guys. This is the C3's new worm here. I actually just got this pack from him. What, 1.5 trips? So the whole pack of these seem to be working. Yeah. Look. Oh, this wind is brutal. Well, they're definitely into the drop shot now.
Yeah, they. See ya.
Alright guys, that was fun. We boated, I mean, quite a few fish. I mean, it wasn't like a ton, but like we still got on some good fish today.
Yeah, and I missed a really good one on the crankbait, and that was the first 2 crankbait bites I ever got here. Chatterbait was good.
Yeah, chatterbait, that's cool.
And then and we both caught one that was, yours was just over 3 and mine was just under 3.
Yep.
So.
And then obviously throwing the new Slim Pro C3 baits on the drop shot was getting it, but also for me, 1 spinnerbait fish and I think 1 on the underspin.
Yeah.
So the little bait chasing, you know, bait style baits. So
Fun though, man.
Yeah.
It definitely slowed down. It's a cold front this week.
Yeah, that
chilled it out a little bit.
Yep.
So,
The water temp.
Nice to be out here, man.
The water temp definitely dropped, but yeah, so that was fun, dude. Yeah, we'll do it again soon for sure.
Always fun.
Yeah, so all right guys, see you on the next one.